Hey friends, if you wish to change device, connect and disconnect sounds on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, you will have to search for change system sounds in the Windows search bar and then go to change system sounds. Okay, now in the under change system sounds, you can select any of these profiles. I mean, initially it will be at no sounds, don't select this one. Any of the other profiles, Windows default modified. Okay, now this device connect and disconnect sounds will be in order, and since it is in alphabetical order, it will be easy to find. So here's a device connect sound. Okay, you can select this one and change it to something else, and this is the device disconnect sound. You can change it to something else. You can also click on test to check the sound. Okay, this was the sound. Okay, and you can click on apply and then on OK to save the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.